We all have different needs for AI, and some tools are just not available out there. You can look around the internet, you won't find them, and I assure you of that. That's why this platform that I literally created for myself and I'm now sharing with the world will solve that problem. This website, I'm just going to demonstrate a few things it can do for you. You can create apps in seconds. Let me show you. You can create text apps. You can create image apps. You can create form, which creates like inputs and outputs. You can create mass content bots, like processing unlimited data, create content in batches, and translate unlimited text. You can create chatbots and books. Don't get overwhelmed by this, because I'm just going to show you some examples to make it simple to understand. Let me show you all the bots I create for myself, because I just can't find them anywhere online. So here we have, for example, the AI address extractor, an organizer. This is an app that I literally made in 10 seconds or so, just in order to be able to use it whenever I have an address which is in a format that's not good for me. So it says here, please paste text which contains an address into this box, and I will obviously extract and format it for you. So I'm just going to paste the text in this box, and it will provide me with a formatted address exactly in the format which I need for my other keyboard tools. Here we go. It's literally put it in a format that I find acceptable, that's easy for me. The format I typed above, this format is actually the PayPal format, and so it's very unorganized and difficult to work with. And so that's just one example of a bot that I created using this app, and you can literally make an unlimited amount of these. And let me just show you exactly how I do it. I'm just going to make one. You'll get the idea. And then if you're interested, you'll go to generate.net, this website up here, and you will get a membership, and it's actually free. And then you can start trying it and seeing if it's good for you. Okay, let me show you how you make an app. You click on the plus button here, invent a bot. Then you click this plus button here. Now you can create any bot you want, and this is where the magic can happen for you, for your specific purpose. Now, I don't know what you need specifically, but if I did, I would type it in this box. So let's use the example here, sales pitch writer. Let's say that's what you needed, but you could even add extra information, something that's more specific for your purpose, like sales pitch writer for elderly clients. You click on this button and it will literally create my sales pitch writer for elderly clients bot in a single click. You've just made yourself a sales pitch writer for elderly client. Here is the prompt that's automatically generated. You need to confirm that it's what you need. Let's read it. As a sales pitch writer for elderly clients, you should create persuasive and clear messages that resonate with their needs and concerns, emphasizing the benefits and value the products you're promoting. Once you click this button here, you've just created the sales pitch writer for elderly clients AI tool, which never existed in the market before. And you are fully ready to now use this. What would you like me to do? Now let's tell it, I'm selling a hearing aid. Now it will do the job which you have asked it to do based on the prompt which was automatically generated. Remember, we did this all just by typing these 6 words into a box. We've just created an AI app that never existed before. And you can make an unlimited number of these. As it's written over here, you can make an unlimited number of bots. Let's see the result of the sales pitch for elderly clients, because remember, we're selling a hearing aid. Let's see what the result's going to be. So on the top of the page, you have a loading, and it's filling up, and hopefully in a few seconds, it will pop up with the sales pitch. Here we are. Attention all seniors. Are you tired of struggling to hear the world around you? Do you find yourself constantly asking them to repeat themselves? And as you can see, it's addressing the elderly. Now remember, anything I type in this box to try and sell will be sales pitch specifically for this elderly clients. And now you can start seeing the power of this app. Let's move on to the image generations, which is image generate. You click on that. Now you can create an image generation bot. Now have a look at some of mine. Now I've created all of these in the same exact way. This is unbelievable. Let's say you wanted to create a 3D model of, let's say, a table. So, of course, I created a 3D model bot, and then all I need to type in this box is table, and then it will create a 3D model of a table. And here's the result, a 3D model of a table. Without doing anything else, I created this AI tool, and it's doing it for me. But let's say I wanted a pencil art image of a table. Let's do the same thing again. Click on Generate AI Image now and see what happens. And here's a drawing of a table. If you don't like it, you can refresh it. But the point is, you can just change the type of bot and it will create what you need. So let's say we do an AI logo generation of a table and then generate a logo of a table. Let's see what happens. So here's a logo of a table, which you can now use. Now let me show you how you make this. You make it in exactly the same way. You click on Inventor Bot, you click on the plus icon again, and then you start creating your bot. Let's say you wanted to create a bot like an imaging bot that creates a coloring book page, which is a page that then can be used to color in for kids. Click on Create My Coloring Book Page Bot. Over here, you can choose the prompt, exactly the prompt. Draw me a coloring book page for, and now you just type what you need in this box. So for example, let's say you wanted to draw a coloring book page of a dog. Click Generate Image and it will generate an image, a coloring book page image of a dog. And here's the generated image. If you refresh this page, you will get a different output, which might be better or worse for you. Let's see what comes up if I refresh it. And here's another coloring book page of a dog, which you can now use as you have full commercial rights. If you want to now do cat, you just write cat in this box and it will automatically generate a coloring book page of a cat because you just created your own custom AI bot. Here's a coloring book page for a cat. Fantastic. Let's move on to the next example. We've got text bots, which we've shown you, image bots. This is complicated, not for this video, but let's just show you an example, what you can create yourself. You can create this kind of bot where you can create inputs and outputs, and then you can choose kind of what you want done, and it will produce a ChatGPT response. But we'll leave that for now. This is a bit more interesting. Process unlimited data bot. If you have a lot of information and you need to process it, you can use this bot. I would give you an example. I just think it's better in another video. But you can literally paste in this bot an inbox and literally an infinite amount of information. Let me just do that just for example's sake. Let's think about what information I should paste in here. Okay, I'm just going to paste some random text into this box just to illustrate the example. Okay, then I click submit. And then you will see that the app will send to ChatGPT in parts. And depending on how long the text is, will depend how many parts it will need to split up this text into. And it will start processing the information as necessary. But you can create any type of text to be processed using this bot. And lastly, one of my favorites is the chatbot creation. You can create an unlimited number of chatbots for your website. Yes, for any pages on your website. Let's say you're someone who has a lot of web pages, selling lots of different types of things, and you need a lot of chatbots that do a lot of different things. Then you can now create that yourself. you can put each one on a different page. Even this chatbot on this page specifically is actually been made using this app, and you can actually talk to it if you wish to and ask it questions, and it will answer you. So here's all my chatbots which I use for different businesses. We have the Book in a Click and lots of different types of chatbots which I use. But let's start a new one. To generate a new chatbot, you click on the plus icon over here, which will start a new chatbot. Click on Build My Custom Chatbot. You just choose the design that you like, and you'll see it change here on the bottom right. Whichever design you like. I'm sure in the future you'll be able to choose and upload your own, but for now you have to use one of these. You give it a name, customer service, or you can even call it John Smith customer service. Apologize all the time. Now you can paste your bot's knowledge here. This is your business information. You can put a lot of information. I'm talking about 3, 4, 5, 6 pages of information because we're using the latest 16K version of ChatGPT. You can, if you want to get leads for your business, you click on collect email leads and you write here where you want to send them to. So for me, it's inventorbotnow@gmail.com. And then you click create. And then you select it from the list. We called it John Smith. And you can instantly test it using the play button here. Let's test it right now. Hi, I am upset with the service I got from this company. Now remember, I told the bot to just apologize. So let's see if he does the job properly or not. I'm so sorry to hear that you're upset with the service you received from our company. As a customer service representative, it's my priority to resolve any issues. Can you provide me with more information? And so that's just an example of one bot that you can create. Create as many of these as you need. And that's it. Finally, we have some book applications which are all included in this package. But the main thing really, what I'm trying to tell you right now, is that you can't be looking for apps online and paying all these different companies to do different jobs for you when there's one website alone which can do them all for you. And I highly recommend you go to generate.net and click on Inventorbot there and just sign up right away and start making your own mini bots which will do all of your little tasks that you need it to do very, very quickly. Thank you for watching. My name is Daniel, the creator of this platform. I made it for myself, but now I'm making it available to you. So thank you for watching and bye for now.